Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea and I'd love to have you. So if you are a content creator, you just like taking pictures like me, or let's say you own a fashion brand and you want to create more content for your page, like reels or pictures or stuff like that, you're looking for somewhere to take better pictures or to upgrade your page or stuff like that, then this is the right video. I always get questions like, oh, where is this, your page looks like you're not in Nigeria, stuff like that. But I assure you I'm in Nigeria, and I'm going to be telling you guys 10 of my top locations where I love to take pictures. My friends are going to hate me so much, but I just feel like plugging y'all. Yes, you guys should just remember to be decent and respectful when you go to these places, and also to access some of them. There are some free ones, I think 1 or 2, but to access most of them you need to spend some money, so you also need to bear that in mind, or go with a friend who you can split the cost with. First place I have on my list is MTN Garage at 5 Cowries Terminal. So you might want to write this down so you can check Google Maps later, but there's this boat jetty called 5 Cowries Terminal. Is at Ikoyi. So MTN has a garage, a free garage there. It's like 3 stories high. So I'm going to be inserting pictures that I took there. So if you see pictures like, you know, somewhere on the screen, you can take this kind of grungy garage type pictures. It's really nice, but I would advise that you stick to the 3rd floor and below, because above from 4th and 5th floor it gets very dusty, something like that. But it's free to enter, so yeah, it's free. Don't let anybody swindle you. The second place I have on my list is Godai Village, and that's where I took these pictures. It looks like a really cute cottage, and like it gives this cottage vibe. So the kind of clothes you can wear there, maybe like decent clothes and stuff like that. Also bear in mind the crowd there is generally older. You do have to like comport yourself really well, but the food is really nice. You should try their turkey. Their turkey is really good, and yeah, you can just take nice pictures. Their confectionery is nice as well, and I think they also have like a flower shop or something. They have like a flower shop in front, but it's really nice, and the waiters and waitresses are really nice and cool. Yeah, that's the second location. Third location I have on my list is Mist by Art Hotel. So there's this hotel in Oniru called the Art Hotel. They have a restaurant in the hotel called Mist, and the place has a lot of, you know, it has a lot of nice contemporary artsy places to take pictures. And even in front of the restaurant, I think it's supposed to be a Japanese restaurant, I'm not sure, but the place is just nice. And these are the pictures I took there, and also videos that I took when I went there with my friend. Bear in mind the menu choices are very limited, but I had their jollof rice and their chicken, and it was really good. But I don't think they are much more diverse than that. So if you're looking for maybe fine dining, I don't really know, but it's picture perfect. So yeah, a Mist by Art Hotel, that's number 3. The next nice place to take the next place where you can take nice pictures in Lagos is the Irish Pub. It's an Irish restaurant inside Echo Hotels, and that's why I took these pictures. It has this brown vibe, but the brown really complements skin tones. I don't know how to put it. You know, since we are black and we have melanin, so the brown really makes your skin like really pop and all. So I went there during a weekday, so that's the tip, to go during the weekday from Tuesdays, Wednesdays. When I went to Irish Pub, it was empty. Me and my friend were the only ones there, and we ate. The food was nice, first of all. Then after eating, the waiters were very kind and friendly, and went out and took pictures like in the outside area. So yeah, Irish Pub restaurant is a really nice place to take your pictures. 5 is Federal Palace Hotel. So I haven't actually been here myself, though I do plan to go. But if you've seen pictures with this background, like the ones I'm going to show, then it was taken in Federal Palace Hotel. I heard that there are 2 restaurants inside the hotel where, so after eating you can take your pictures. Do you get? What I don't know is if you can just go in and take pictures. I'm not quite sure, but I'm sure if you were staying in the hotel or if you went to their restaurant, then you'll be able to take pictures there. The 6th location is Allianz Francais. For those of you who don't know, Allianz Francais is inside Mike Adenuga Center. It's in Ikoyi as well. That's where the other branch of Eric Kaiser is. So in this in Allianz Francais, there are like 3 different places where you can take your pictures. There's one that's an auditorium. There's a second one that's just outside Eric Kaiser, the flower area in front of the cafe, and there's also a back pavilion. This location is like 3 areas in one. You get? So if you have in mind to take any of these pictures, or if you've seen anybody taking pictures in any of these backgrounds, then it's Allianz Francais, basically. Mike Adenuga Center, Eric Kaiser, all the same. So this place is 3 locations in one. And also there's an app called Backdrop. It gives you different picturesque locations in different cities all over the world. So if you're not in Lagos, you can use this app. If you're in the UK or if you're in America, you can use this app to find different picture-worthy locations in your city. I'll put the logo and maybe the link in the description. It's called Backdrop and it's a really nice app. It gets updated like fairly frequently. Next location I have here is the Wings Tower. So I haven't also been here myself, but there is a restaurant at the topmost floor and I've seen some really nice pictures from the Wings Tower, though there was kind of a quarrel where they said, oh, they don't want to allow young girls to enter into the building anymore. But they called my friend and they said that no, that's not true. They just have a dress code now because people come there during to have lunch from work, so they want people to dress more decently. So just bear that in mind. If you're going to Wings Tower, you want to dress maybe a bit corporate casual. So number 9 is Echo Atlantic City. So if you've seen pictures like these ones that I'm going to insert right here, it was taken in Echo Atlantic City. You can just drive around and scope out nice locations and take your pictures. Yeah, in Echo Atlantic City. I think you need a code. There's a restaurant in Echo Hotel called Pearl, so you can just say you're going to the restaurant. Another location I'd love to mention that is really close to Echo Atlantic City is Ebony Life Place. For those of you who don't know, Ebony Life Place is owned by Mo Abudu, and there's a hotel there, there's a cinema there, there's an event center there, there's a restaurant there. It has everything, and all the floors are so picture perfect. Like the floors, the elevators, the Turaka restaurants, even the cinema floor is really, really picturesque and photogenic. So, and it's usually free to enter because there's a cinema there, so they are very friendly to young people as well. Also, the garage is very nice for taking pictures as well. Number 10 right now, but I have one more bonus that I'm going to say. This Cafe de Flore is in Lagos. It's in Ikoyi as well. It's also really nice. If you've seen pictures like these ones on the screen, they were taken at Cafe de Flore. So if you can go there, maybe have a coffee or 2. I just wanted to say that I want to do a picture editing class, a photo editing class. For those of you who haven't checked out my Instagram is on the screen. Check it out, give me a follow. But I want to hold a photo editing class. I want to get your Instagram together. If you want to give it a nice finished touch without looking like too edited or looking like a cartoon or anything, then I'm your girl, because I feel like I've done so much research on realistic photo editing apps. I have a lot of knowledge to share, but just let me know if you guys want to see a picture editing class from me. So we've come to the end of the video. If you've not subscribed by now, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post.